Welcome back, guys, to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. I'm your host, BG, from the Drainplug Mafia channel in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the inlet. We've got a moderate day today. It'll be interesting to see how our captains fare as they step in the ring and try and do battle at the inlet. But let's go ahead and get this one rolling, and we'll start off here in our first round, and we've got a Dusky stepping in the ring to try and do battle at the inlet. Let's see how our crew handles it. Our crew is definitely taking that slow roll approach, not something I typically recommend here at Haulover, especially if you've chosen to go down the middle like they have. You're definitely risking a stuffing here. Our guy's trying to battle it at an angle as much as he can, but man, it's a little bit of a rough day. He's cutting into the waves there, and there's that stuffing we were talking about. Coming in just a little bit too slow, didn't get the boat up on step, bow was low, and they wind up stuffing it and taking a wave over the front. And unfortunately for this crew, you guys know what that means. If you stuff the bow, you take the loss here on Boats vs. Haulover, and the boats will lose here in the first round. Let's see if our second round contestant has any better luck as they step in the ring prepared to do battle with Haulover. No! What in the world do we have here? We've only got a couple rules on the channel. You stuff the bow, you take a loss. You stuff kids in the bow of the boat without a life jacket, you take a loss as well. And not only did they stuff one, there's like 8 of them up here. What in the world, Cap? What are you thinking? And of course, they're intentionally trying to stuff the bow as well to add insult to injury on this one. This is just a rough one. They've got so much weight in the bow of the boat. If they really do take a big wave over the bow, this boat's going to fill with water and they're going to be in trouble. Here we'll switch over to the BVH Skycam to kind of give you a different angle of what's going on. Our guys coming out, right here they stuffed the bow once. The kids are having fun, but once again, it's all fun and games until something goes wrong. These guys come out here, they stuff the bow a few times. Fortunately, they wind up pulling that patented Haulover U-turn and heading back in, but they will take a loss here in the second round, and this is not good for the boats. The boats go down 2-0 early as we move into the third round of our competition, and here we go, and why is she sitting up there? Oh my! She almost goes down. She grabs onto hubby, but this is just a poor taste decision here as well, sitting on top of the chair. Man, I can't believe all I'm seeing today. Here you can see she's on top of the chair. They hit this wave. She almost slides out the back of the boat. Fortunately, she's able to reach back up and grab Cap and hold on, but here we're going to hit another wave and she almost goes over again. This is a tough one, but I'm going to give the boats a loss here, and Haulover is going to take the clean sweep today. 3 rounds in a row, and Haulover takes the win in this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have the Drainplug Mafia channel where we feature a bunch of comedy boating videos over there. We've got Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. And of course, we've got Miami Boat Ramps that focuses on all the hilarity that happens in the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.